but my name is Fimmy.
And now we gotta make our way back.
I hope I can reload it.
Everybody got a cake?
I got one.
Let's get back to the damn seriously.
Why do you have to go back?
Defibrillator.
So we had to get gas for like our boat or whatever.
Oh yeah.
Ammo, ammo. Where's ammo?
On the,
Here.
right next
There
to
it
this
is.
health pack.
Listen, I'll heal you. Hold on now. All right. Stop squirming. Oh, God damn it. Quit fussing and let
We all
me
got
heal you.
diesel on our
Nope.
backs.
Cannot refill the ammo of this weapon. I was afraid of that.
I need some help.
You might want to pick up something else then.
Did I accidentally heal Matt? Oops.
You
What-
healed
why?
Jess.
It's a grenade launcher.
There's a defib right there, by the way, I think.
I've got it. If there's no more health packs.
Grab and puke.
Grab
All right.
puke. You guys ready?
Yep.
Let's rock. And rock.
Let's Okay,
Put
first
the
let's
poster up
spray.
first.
Check
Yeah,
that.
the poster's important, guys.
Okay, thank you.
Really strong in there.
Got that frying pan. I got that frying pan. I got that frying.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
Let's get a move on.
Come on. Through the
Through the cornfield again.
Through the wheat.
Wait,
I
whatever.
assume it's sugar actually.
Alright, down the pipe.
Sugar cane.
Oh boy, zombies.
cane
Oh my god,
accessories.
where did you come from?
Well,
Hurricane zombie.
oh, up here.
Can't see a thing.
Watch out for the spitter group.
Wonder why it's called hard rain. Well, not anymore.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Oh,
Oh my
jeez.
damn.
He goes.
We're going ham.
Oh my goodness.
So that's
Which side is the
Oh yeah. Yeah.
This way.
side opposite the button?
Yes. So.
Okay.
Hunter.
Hunter right outside the fucking thing.
He died.
Good thing he's caged like a cheetah.
Let's not shoot each other.
Oh,
Let's
well.
always shoot each other.
Everybody, back down the stairs.
Alright, we gotta go down the stairs.
We just came this way. How are there so many?
Because they always come.
Oh, smoker got me. Oh no.
Where are you?
Fucking, I'm hanging.
We got him.
I'm down here.
Aren't you glad I kept that rocket launcher now?
Sure.
Grenade launcher.
They both explode.
Darling, I would catch a grenade for you.
Throw it right back.
Yeah. Throw my hand on a zombie for you.
It's all swampy.
Space jump.
It's not helping me move any faster, so I don't know why I'm doing it. But,
Yeah. Because it looks silly.
yeah, it does.
Human beings in a zombie apocalypse would not be able to jump this high.
Especially out of water.
Yeah, really.
They must have the gravity.
Oh boy.
Did I?
Oh wow, she's right over there.
Which?
Yeah.
Yeah, there she is. I see her.
Which old witch?
Jockey, jockey. On me.
Get him.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Want me to get my rocket launcher?
No,
No,
just
just
freaking
avoid her.
walk past her.
Alright, where are we going?
This way.
Hold on.
I see. Whatever it is we're filling up has diesel.
Yeah, I said that.
Yeah, it's on our backs.
Sorry. Man,
That
this
zombie
is why
seem like rain.
Some say dry. Others feel the pain.
Let's go.
Okay, C2.
Hold up. Oh man, I almost got her.
Oh,
Chocolate rain.
Shoot, which way?
Backwards.
Yeah, we're just playing these maps in reverse.
Oh no.
Oh,
I don't even know where it is.
Oh, there's no moon view
Jockey.
highway.
And the tank.
it's right down there.
I see it, but I can't get it. I can't get a name on it. There we go.
Hang on. Yeah, grenade launcher that bitch.
Killed both of them.
Way to go, Ka.
Jump.
Almost dead. So am I.
Yes, get the guy with the defib unit.
Do they not drop the defib units when they die?
They do.
They should. Yeah.
They do.
Yeah, well, then they-
You
What was that?
bored over there?
That damn.
No, we're not exciting enough for you?
Tired.
What tune was that you were singing?
That's my yawn song.
Oh, I forgot where we're supposed to go. To the warehouse?
That yawn, 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 yawn.
I think that's it. That looks right.
Miss me.
Watch there be a witch somewhere in here.
Spooky
Or not.
ghosties.
I'm okay with that.
So fun.
Jump.
Yeah.
Jump.
Closed.
Jump around.
Hey,
Hey, alright. Oh, that's
buddies. Oh, man.
That
Oh,
room
and a
was
spitter.
not safe.
Ow.
Oh, that was funny.
Yeah, Matt
see
is
Matt
totally.
Pass through the door, gets hit in the face.
Yeah, he ran straight through that spitter and he was just like, alright.
Safe house?
Come on. Damage to the tank. Oh, only 300 for me. Jess, you just rocked it.
I'm not sure how, but yeah.
I
Apparently
put
I
the
did.
vial on it, that's it.
Ah, gotcha.
I had to deal with other shit around me.
I've got the melee kills because I've got the grenade launcher, and I'm like,